out and
Oh,
talk
yes.
with you.
And you know what? Why don't you have a seat? Hi, I'm Leslie.
I'm Kaisa.
Kaisa, nice to meet you. This is Lyndsay.
Nice to meet you.
I am so sorry about your leg.
Yes,
How
yeah,
are
I
you
know.
feeling?
Better, but I'm not fully balanced. So I'm going to let my daughter go ahead and give you the tour of the
awesome.
house.
What do you want to tell us before we head over there?
My mother-in-law and father-in-law moved in there in 2003 along with my aunt. They converted it into 2 main bedrooms.
Gotcha.
And it's got 3 bathrooms, which isn't exactly the sellable type of home you
Yeah.
would need for a family.
So it's almost like 2 main suites.
Exactly.
And why do you think it didn't sell?
Because it smells weird and the floors always felt gross and waxy.
Okay. So let's go see these sticky floors.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, lead the way.
Have fun, you guys.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. See you.
The door is kind of hard to open.
Okay. Ooh. This is nice and big.
This is what used to be the living room. Whenever my family came over, this would just be the general meeting area.
I mean, you just hit it on the head. It's a family house. What I'm seeing is very traditional. It needs some updating to it. Okay, you want to see the kitchen? Okay, this is a little small. This right here, this seems
Cramped.
smaller than normal. Yeah. How did this work with family gatherings? I mean, you come to a point. Could we walk through there at the same time? I mean, just barely. Whew. This room, especially with these skylights, is just amazing. It's got a really cool feel to it.
Yeah.
Totally different feel than the front room.
Yeah.
Let's go see if we can find that 3rd bedroom.
So this house is currently 2 bedrooms, which is unfortunate for this area because really for top dollar, we need to turn this back into the 3 bedrooms it originally was. Yeah, really what it comes down to is where are we going to take space from to get that 3rd bedroom layout again?
Okay. I don't think this was the bedroom that was divided because that's a pretty traditional offset closet.
Yeah.
This bathroom, though, is completely outdated, but what I do like is I love the space. All right, next bedroom. Cool beans.
Cool beans.
Oh, wow. This is a big bedroom. Huge bathroom and a huge closet. Okay, so this is definitely where they took it. So what I'm thinking, Les, is if this faux wall wasn't here, then from here, that would be a big size room, right? That's still a big size room there. So you would almost assume it was cut here. So my thought is that you walked in a door somewhere around here, and then you'd go that way to this room and that way to that room.
I suspect that this main bedroom was originally 2 separate rooms, and then the wall between them was knocked down, creating this main suite. Figuring out where the room may have been split could give us some inspiration of where we might build back.
Okay, let's go back and talk to your mom.
Cool. Oh, look, here they are.
Yay!
Hi,
Hello
guys.
there, ladies. We wanted to show you guys a house, and this house would be one that we would think that a buyer would also look at when they looked at your home. So what are you guys' first impressions of the house?
Landscaping is much nicer here in town.
One of the big ones for us when we pulled up at your house was the curb appeal.
Yes.
So we love the fact that when we pulled up here, we could see the whole house. Okay, well, let's go inside and see what we can find. Okay, come on in. Okay, here we go, guys. So first impressions, you guys can tell us what you think.
Very nice, very nice.
Cleaner.
Yeah, that's a good word, though.
It smells better.
It does smell really nice.
Very nice.
I like how automatically, it's just open. To achieve a similar effect at your mother-in-law's home, I want to open up the wall between the living room and family room, giving it an open floor plan and a view straight back to the kitchen and backyard, right when you walk in. Okay, and then let's go look at the kitchen. What would you say the main difference of this kitchen is to your mother-in-law's?
The island, and it's open.
To make your kitchen more user-friendly, I'd replace the small doorway to the dining room with a pantry. It won't be missed with the new open concept. I'd remove the angled peninsula and install a standalone island, eliminating bottlenecks and providing more cooking and entertaining space. Then I'd install new cabinets and appliances throughout for a cleaner, updated look. So in your main bathroom, there is plenty of space. It just needs updating. I would install new flooring, fresh paint, brand new shower and tub, plus a double vanity to really wow that potential buyer. This house is 2,500 square foot. Your mother-in-law's is 24. What do you think this house sold for?
$1 million.
Oh my God, I love her. What do you think, Hannah?
I'd say about 750.
They actually listed at 775.
Oh, wow.
And in 2 days, they ended up going under contract at 825.
Wow.
And there's a lot of things that this house has to offer that I really feel like we could put into your mother-in-law's. So if you guys were at the 655 and we put in 60,000, at that point we would feel very confident listing at 775. After we got our investment back of the 60,000, that would leave an additional 60,000 profit from where you were originally at. We would split that 30,000 and 30,000.
I think that would be all wonderful. The price point at 775 sounds really good to me.
We're kicking off work today at the Ramilla's house with some demolition. This is a beautiful traditional style home, but a lot of it just felt dated. So we're taking out the old cabinets in the kitchen, the dated fixtures, tile, tubs, and the vanity in the bathroom. Jeff and his guys are opening up the front wall between the front room and the living room to create an open concept style that is a must-have for buyers in this area. The team has been working away on the kitchen and living room space over at Hannah's house. We've got the hardwood floors all patched up where the kitchen peninsula had been. We sanded them down and stained them with a beautiful dark walnut stain. And finally, Jeff started installing the brownish gray kitchen cabinets we ordered. Okay, this looks awesome. I love these cabinets, Jeff.
Yeah?
Love the cabinets with the floor. We need to find something special for the backyard to really highlight the potential for outdoor living. I love, love, love coming here because I feel like we always find unique pieces.
Really what our goal is here is to find that fountain for the backyard.
Yes. Ooh, this one's cute with the butterflies. Shh, listen.
Yeah, it's just not loud enough.
enough.
We need something that has height, like this.
Okay.
Because listen, that would drown out the noise. That's the whole purpose.
Do you think that's the price for the whole thing?
No, that's just for the fixture, and then you have to build it. So we'd have to buy the barrel, the fountain, the pot. I could build it, Lou.
What about this little guy? Listen.
I feel like the more spouty is gonna make a better noise.
That one you said you have to build?
Yeah, but I mean, that's not gonna be difficult. It's a pump.
Do you think the boys could help you build that?
Absolutely. Like, look at, oh my gosh, look at this little guy.
Oh, cute.
You just hook it up to the pump, and we could put him in like a barrel, like one of these barrels. So what has to happen is this tube goes in the bottom, and then it'll hook onto
The pump, got it.
Now this will go on the bottom because you have to submerge your pump,
Yeah.
but not submerge your frog.
Got
So
it.
that's why I got you guys the pavers, thinking if you build up the pavers,
And
right?
the frog can be above the water.
Exactly.
Well, the rocks,
Just kind of a more decorative.
yes.
Okay.
Stack up those pavers. Be very careful with them. Perfect. Is that gonna be the right height for our frog? Perfect. Okay.
You
There
see
we
that?
go.
They put all big
I love
rocks
it.
around the pump to make sure that it doesn't get
Now you
smashed.
just put them around.
Gosh, our kids are just like us.
Yeah.
Thank goodness they get their looks and their brains from their mom.
Handy skills.
Moms.
Oh, cute.
Oh, it looks perfect. I love it. Hey, Jeff, Ryan.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
Whoa, this looks awesome.
I love the rafters. I love the lights.
By exposing them, we get way more light. We
Way more
add
light.
architectural interest.
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
It looks amazing. Okay, well, let's go check out inside.
Go on in.
Oh, see this is
Whoa.
what, oh my gosh. This is just beautiful. beautiful.
Yay!
It doesn't look like the same house.
We've got a traditional layout and we kept a lot of the traditional features, but then we added a lot of modern touches. Start with the floors. So we took the hardwood floors and stained them, had them refinished dark with walnut.
It's not waxy anymore.
It's not waxy.
That's a big plus.
It's an actual dining room.
Yes. We did close off that door because we felt like on both sides of the wall, on this side, it gave us more room for the dining room, and on the other side, it actually gave us an actual, real, full kitchen.
I love it.
If you love this, I cannot wait for you to see the next area. So let's head over there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. That is awesome.
We took off the sheetrock and left the structure, so the trusses, and then painted them to give more of an architectural feel to this room.
You guys outdid yourselves.
Go ahead, you walk around. It's a whole
Oh my
new kitchen.
gosh. It's so cool. It's nice and open.
All brand new cabinetry,
Wow.
new appliances.
With this island, I wanted to imagine somebody right here prepping food and being able to look over and see who's at the front door or who's in the backyard.
I like the house.
Does it make you emotional?
Yeah. It doesn't look like the same house, but I love it.
Well, let's...
Beautiful.
Good.
Beautifully done. Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's go check out the backyard. Come on out.
Whoa.
Oh.
So now that we've walked through the house, I would love to know what you guys are thinking.
I love it.
Oh,
Yay.
good.
I think you've done a wonderful job. We couldn't have accomplished this at all on our own, knowing my husband's condition and, of course, when I hurt my leg. So
And I have poor work ethic.
When we first met, you guys had been trying to sell the home for around $655,000. We wanted to invest $60,000 into the home, and we did use all of that. Our plan was to sell the property at $775,000, but after making all of the changes and really seeing what's out there on the market, we actually would like to list the home at $825,000.
oh my gosh, that sounds fantastic.
At $825,000, that would actually leave us with a profit increase of $110,000. So that would be $55,000 each once we get our $60,000 investment paid back. So I feel like that would be a really good win-win.
Sounds great.
Our goal is to get it on the market and hopefully start to get some offers rolling in before our offer review date.
Yes, awesome.
Yay, we're excited.
Come on in.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh my gosh, it looks fantastic in here.
Thank you.
God, I love the dining room.
Yes, we opened this up to make it more of a natural flow.
That's striking. Is that how it was originally?
No.
Or did you guys open that up?
Yeah,
Are you
we did.
serious?
Huge focal point.
Didn't expect it.
Did not expect it.
I love this island. I mean, you can have everybody around it, you know, while you're entertaining,
Yep.
which would be really exciting and fun. And I love the cabinetry, and I love the gold. I love the finishes. I feel
Yay.
like it's really updated.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that stand-up shower. That's beautiful.
Look at the tub. Lots of space.
Absolutely.
Nice.
Yeah,
Looks
right
great.
again.
I think we had a really successful open house. Lots of great feedback. You know, great job on the design. Everybody loves it.
Thank you.
You're so good. We listed the home at $825,000, and we ended up selling after holding offers for 5 days at $925,000. So that's $100,000 over our list price. And the backyard was a huge part of the sale.
And you guys
so
did
thank
awesome.
you, thank you, thank you.